Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the Boreas NPC and start this Fix the Glacial Regulator quest in Fish It Game of Roblox Elemental Island update. Okay, first you're going to go to the Elemental Island, guys, and you're going to unlock the seal because the Elemental Island is sealed and you need to unlock it. You can watch my previous video to get the tutorial on how to unlock the seal so you can access this area. When you already reach this area, you're going to go to this way and you're going to find the Boreas NPC. You just need to follow me and you'll find an NPC called Boris. He's right here, guys, and you'll find the glacial regulator machine right here, and you need to fix the machine to get the ice. Okay, just talk to the Boreas and you'll start the glacial regulator quest. Hold on, let me show you the quest. Okay, after you complete the quest, you will receive the ice crystal. And this is the detail. You need to insert a storm shell brood into the machine and return to Boreas. And this is a secret fish, guys. And if you want to catch it, you need to fish on this area. You're going to go to the storm pathway or storm area to catch the storm shell brood fish. It's only available during the storm elemental event, guys, and the event will be refreshed every 2 hours. So you need to fish in that event, or you can't catch the storm shell fish because it's not available when the event is not there. Okay guys, and that's all about the glacial regulator quest in Fish It Game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!